A warm welcome back. Please like, share, and subscribe to get notified every time I publish new content. Today I shall look at some interesting facts around housing in Toronto. I moved here some 12 years ago. These facts are based on my own experiences and changes that have occurred in the housing market and hold true to this day. If you are looking to build wealth as an immigrant or anyone just living in Canada, the housing market is the sure way to go. You're guaranteed to make some money. Here we go. The first fact is housing is a hot market if you're looking to buy. Housing in Toronto is definitely on steroids and a few other large cities. And it shows no signs of slowing down. A second fact is COVID slowed down the market just for spring of 2020. Many expected the housing prices to go down, but amazingly, the opposite has held true. There is less inventory, and that is new houses being sold, so people are willing to pay top dollar for anything in the market. The third fact is if you're looking to buy, you are always guaranteed to have multiple offers on a house. And this is due to low supply and high demand. People want to buy houses, but there aren't many houses in the market to buy. Number 4 fact is people bid as high as $500,000 over asking price. I even recall a house that actually sold for $1 million over asking price in Richmond Hill, which is a suburb of Toronto. The fifth fact is if you are looking to buy a detached home, the average price today is now over $1 million for Toronto and the surrounding suburbs. Now, some interesting facts to consider is if the house you intend to buy is over 1 million, you are required to put 20% down of the buying cost as deposit. Now, if the cost of the property is $500,000 or less, you are required to put down 5% down as deposit. If the purchase price is between $500,000 and $999,999, then you'd have to put a 5% for the first $500,000 and 10% for the balance above that $500,000. All in all, you would need to put 20% down as deposit, and if not, you would need to buy mortgage insurance for the house. For example, suppose the purchase price of your home is $600,000. You can calculate your minimum down payment by adding two amounts. The first amount is 5% of the first $500,000, which is equal to $25,000, and the second amount is 10% of the remaining balance, which is about $100,000, which is equals to $10,000. So when you add the two amounts together, you get a total of $35,000 as deposit for the house that costs $600,000. The sixth fact is houses don't stay on the market for long. And again, this is due to demand and supply. You don't have a lot of supply, demand is high. Fact number 7 is interest rates for houses are very low, actually the lowest they've ever been. I recently renewed mine for about 1.49% for a 4-year fixed term. But they are rising. A general statement is in comparison to other countries, they are low. The eighth fact is Toronto suburbs are equally as hot as core Toronto. And these include Markham, Richmond Hill, Thornhill, Brampton, and Mississauga. The ninth fact is your house may appreciate to the tune of $100,000 each year for a detached in a good neighborhood. So here you'd please need to check with your realtors to help you identify these areas and where to buy when you're ready to make that move. The 10th fact is you can't go wrong with investing in property in Toronto as a new immigrant. It is a vibrant city and lots of renters looking to help you build that equity and wealth. This is what enabled me and a lot of other immigrants start building and creating wealth in Canada. And so you can do it. Those are my 10 top true facts about housing in Toronto. Like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other topics interest you as you plan to make your move to Canada.